In this video, I will show you the top features and advantages of using Perplexity Pro to enhance your business productivity. I'll start by exploring the advanced AI models available in the Pro version. I have the ability to switch between industry-leading models like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, and Gemini, which allows me to choose the best engine for any complex task. This versatility ensures high-quality results and a deeper understanding of my research queries, giving me the flexibility to use the most powerful tools currently on the market. Next, I'll take a look at the multiple data presentation formats. Rather than just receiving standard paragraphs of text, I can see information organized into clear tables and side-by-side comparisons. This makes it much easier to analyze data points and present findings in a way that is professional, easy to read, and ready for use in any business report. Now, I am opening Perplexity Labs to manage project-based AI workflows. I can turn my research into comprehensive reports and dashboards, like this momentum trading strategy, all without writing a single line of code. It effectively combines research, data analysis, and visualization into one seamless process, allowing me to produce polished deliverables in a fraction of the time. I also use Perplexity Spaces to stay organized and collaborate with my team. I can create dedicated hubs for specific projects, upload my own files like PDFs and spreadsheets, and invite others to contribute to the research. It's a powerful way to centralize knowledge and keep everyone on the same page while using custom AI responses tailored to each specific project space. Another great feature is the multi-domain search settings. I can customize my searches across specific areas like academic papers, YouTube, or even financial filings to get highly targeted results for my business. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.